हाय। पिछले वीडियो में हम पढ़े कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल सेफगार्ड कि SC ST एंड जो भी अदर सोशली एंड एजुकेशनल बैकवर्ड क्लासेस है उनके लिए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अंदर क्या क्या सेफगार्ड दिए गए। ओके, इन सेंस ऑफ द रिजर्वेशन। तो वो है आर्टिकल 16 क्लॉज ये 335, 341 एंड 342। दिस आर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल सेफगार्ड। देन इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे रिजर्वेशन ऑफ पोस्ट इन पब्लिक सर्विस। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। रिजर्वेशन ऑफ जॉब इन गवर्नमेंट ऑन कास्ट एंड कम्युनिटी बेसिस इज नॉट न्यू इन इंडिया। A number of representation and agitations were made by number of people, particularly by non-Brahmin community, and caste for adequate representation for all caste of people in the government employment. The Montagu-Chelmsford Reform 1990 provided certain special representation for non-Brahmin classes. The reform encouraged the organization of the less privileged class to demand the removal of the unequal representation in the public service. The government of India in 1925 initiated action to reserve certain percentage of post in government to the minority communities. Then in 1934 the order was issued to reserve 25% of all vacancies to fill by direct recruitment to Muslim and 8.75% for other minor communities. In 1943 government also reserved 8.5% vacancies for the scheduled caste and raised it to 12.5%. In 1946 corresponds to the proportion of their population to the total population of the country. Thus importance of representative bureaucracy in public service was realized in view of the socio and economic inequality in India. However, the tribal were not provided any reservation by the British government. The claim of tribal for reservation of post was only recognized by the independent India. The government of India after independence review the whole reservation policy and has withdrawn the reservation of the competitive post for communities other than the scheduled caste. In 1951 constitution was amended to empower article 15 clause A state to make special provision for the development of the socially and educationally backward classes of citizen which in the opinion of the state is not adequately represented in the service under the state. Okay, so these are the some of the reservation. Okay, so how reservation is provided in the public services. देखिए आगे क्या लिखा है, द रिजर्वेशन इन द सर्विस आर मेड फॉर द शेड्यूल कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल ट्राइब बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया and also by the state government. Rule regulation are framed for implementation of the reservation policy. Originally 12% of the reservation for SC and ST, it was raised to 15% in 1970. After the government has reserved 15% of the job for SC and ST, SC 7.5% for the ST, 27% for the OBC for direct recruitment by open competition. The government has decided to cover the subquota 4.5% for minorities from the within 27%, that is OBC, the reservation of the OBC. However, clause 16 BA provide that the backlog and carry forward vacancy would be treated separately and shall not be subject to the ceiling of the 50% of the reservation. For the person with disability, section 33 of PWD Act 1995 provide the every appropriate government shall appoint in every establishment such percentage of vacancy not less than 3%. So this is mainly the reservation. Okay, so at present that is the different means देखिए 15% for the SC and 7.5% for ST and 27 for the OBC, that is current stand. And the Supreme Court verdict 50% ceiling for the reservation. So this is all about the reservation of post in the public services. then at last we understand the complete chapter through the conclusion. देखो, recruitment is the first and the most important step in personal administration. We know all these things. The recruitment policy is faulty, the administration will fail because of unqualified, incompetent, inefficient, ठीक है, दैट विल बी एंटर इन दी सर्विस. तो इस यूनिट में हम एग्जामिन किए कि मीनिंग, इंपॉर्टेंट, प्रोसेस, मेथड ऑफ द रिक्रूटमेंट. और हम क्या सीखे, मेरिट सिस्टम के बारे में सीखे, अलग अलग मेथड जाने हम इसके मेरिट के. ओके, फिर इंडियन सिस्टम के अंदर रिक्रूटमेंट और रिजर्वेशन पॉलिसी के बारे में समझे. तो नेक्स्ट यूनिट में हम क्या पढ़ेंगे, प्रमोशन से रिलेटेड. ओके, सो हमने in the next unit we will examine the process of promotion as a method of indirect recruitment. तो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में प्रमोशन के बारे में जानेंगे. तो ये था, ये चैप्टर मेनली रिजर्वेशन के ऊपर और रिक्रूटमेंट के ऊपर, मेनली तो रिक्रूटमेंट के ऊपर था. ओके, एंड मेरिट सिस्टम, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मेरिट सिस्टम. सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम प्रमोशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस video. Thank you. Bye bye.